And we're back. So welcome back to the video. We're actually gonna go mount some tires on my wheels back here. You know, we got both of them, and then we got my brother back there with the other half of the wheels and the tires. I think we're gonna head to Frank's house first because this guy needs help, but after that I'm gonna go mount my wheels and tires and add the front tilt to my car because I'm doing something for the month of December, so I kind of had to do all that real quick. It's getting a little cold out here and it's raining, but we're heading to Frank's, then we're gonna head to the tire shop, mount the wheels and tires, and yeah, so I'll see y'all there. Welcome to Frank's house. I got the tires mounted and balanced. I had to fix this fog light here. You see it's cloudy right now. I gotta add some clear coat so it's, you know, it goes back to shiny plastic like this one right here. See how shiny this is? I don't know if the camera's picking up that well, but you can see it on this angle. It looks more shinier than this one. This one's like hazy. So I'm gonna fix that. Tires are all mounted and balanced. I'm having an issue with this. I don't know what that is. I don't really care though. It's probably because, actually I don't know why it's doing it or saying that. They look fine. But anyway, Frank's car. It rained yesterday, so I didn't really work on anything yesterday, but it seems like they still all have air, so that's good. Had to rebuild them. This is my stock wheel. But today we're putting on front tilt, and this guy's door is not even closed. This guy's door is not even closed. Tie rod. Last time we took this off was in Tennessee. There's always one screw holding it on. But if you watch the Tennessee video, you may have seen that the car was cambered throughout that video. And that's because Tennessee was a stance car event. Everybody had cambers. Because we gotta take out this here. Got the new one. But first, we gotta put on our extension, so I grab it. So take our extension plate right here. We put our plate right here. It goes like this. The plate sits like that. So what you would do is you would take your one extension point. You put this under the plate. So you have 3 of them. 3, you put them under here, just like this. You will take your extension plate and put it on top, and then you'll take your studs and just put them in place. That's how you put them on. Now the thing is, there's 2 holes on it when you put them on. So there's 2 holes. You see there's 2. So if you're gonna put it in the closest hole here, you have to actually put this on your spindle first before you put it on your car, because If you don't do that, then you'll have a hard time putting it in. Trust me, you'll have a hard time. So in order to get this on, you have to put it on here first. So I just did this to show an example. But if you're running like the furthest hole, then you could put this on first, and then after you put it on, then you can just put this on, because you will be able to like tighten it no problem. But if you're doing the closest hole, then you're gonna have to do it the way I just did it. So let me go ahead, or you have to do it the other way. So let me go ahead and take this out and do it that way. You're first gonna put the 3 extension points on here, the spacers. Then you're gonna put your plate on, whatever you want to put it on. Camber the top hat. Pretty simple. Just loosen these guys and just put them in the further hole. Alright, and that's pretty much it right there, other than me not putting on the tie rod. But I don't know how much that is. As you can see, the extension plates, top hat, right there. So yeah, here's this side. Get closer. There's this side, and here's this side. Yeah, I'm sure you could tell the difference. But so I'm pretty much gonna come back when I'm done, because I don't have to really show you this side, because it's pretty much the same exact steps, you know. And if you've seen it on Frank's car, you've seen how he did it already. So again, it's the same thing. It's nothing different. By the way, here's Frank's car. All in his glory. He added more front tilt, so like it was like less before, and we added more because of the AC show that's going on this weekend. I don't know when this video is gonna come out, but the AC show that's going on this weekend, he's going out like this. But we have to figure out that rear tire because it's leaking air. So we don't know why it's leaking air, so we're probably gonna have to like retorque the bolts down or something. But yeah, let me just get back to this. All right, we're done. Obviously, here's the driver's side. Here's the last seat. And here is the passenger side. So now he's got to put the wheels on. My bumper's broken. I already got a new one. And yeah, so I'm going to grab the wheels and put them on. All right, here we are. We're done. Wheels are on. This one is like way off, or they're both way off. They both pulled out. But I'm having a problem with this wheel. It's leaking air. You can see the bubble actually right there. But if I spray more, there it is. See those bubbles? It's leaking right from the bead of the wheel. So I'm just gonna bring it back to the shop so they can fix that. And then yeah, so I'm gonna check all four of the wheels. So far, I checked them yesterday. They're all holding air right now. They're the same PSI as yesterday, except for that one. That one lost air. So I'm gonna deal with that. And then after that, I'm gonna figure out the headlight system problem that I'm having. I'm gonna solve that on my own, because obviously I have a headlight system problem right here. I do not know why. That just came on today.